Welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate destination for honest reviews and expert insights. Today, we're diving into the world of gardening with a spotlight on the best of the best. The Premier Plant Solutions 15112 Lavender Provence. Join us as we explore why these lavender plants are a must-have for any garden enthusiast. Picture this. A garden filled with the soothing scent of lavender, its delicate blooms dancing in the sunlight. That's the promise of the Premier Plant Solutions 15112 Lavender Provence. Renowned for its beauty and versatility, this lavender variety has captured the hearts of gardeners worldwide. So, what sets these lavender plants apart from the rest? Let's break it down. First off, they're incredibly sturdy, able to withstand the elements with ease. Whether you're facing scorching summers or chilly winters, these plants have got you covered. But that's not all. The scent of these lavender blooms is simply divine, filling your garden with an enchanting aroma that's impossible to resist. Plus, they're deer-resistant, meaning you can enjoy their beauty without worrying about unwanted visitors nibbling away at your plants. When it comes to value for money, these lavender plants truly shine. With their long blooming period, you'll enjoy months of gorgeous flowers without breaking the bank. And with full sun exposure, they'll thrive in almost any garden setting. In conclusion, the Premier Plant Solutions 15112 Lavender Provence is a true gem in the world of gardening. From its stunning blooms to its resilience in the face of adversity, these lavender plants have it all. So why wait? Transform your garden into a fragrant oasis today with the best phenomenal lavender plants on the market. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth product analyses. Until next time, happy gardening!